Imam Hassan al-Basri rahimahullah, a scholar from the Tabi'een, he was sitting in his majlis one day. Somebody came to him to complain about his property. Imam Hassan al-Basri said, make istighfar, lots of it. Another person came from another problem. The Imam said, you make istighfar, a lot of istighfar. That day many people came to him with various problems. However, he only gave them one solution, that each of them had to make a lot of istighfar. One of his students then asked him, Ya Sheikh, we had many guests today asking about different matters. How come the remedy is the same, making istighfar? The Imam answered, haven't you read this ayah? فَقُلْتُ اسْتَغْفِرُوا رَبَّكُمْ إِنَّهُ كَانَ غَفَّارًا يُرْسِلَ السَّمَاءَ عَلَيْكُمْ مِدْرَارًا وَيُمْدِدْكُمْ بِأَمْوَالٍ وَبَنِينَ وَيَجْعَلْ لَكُمْ جَنَّاتٍ وَيَجْعَلْ لَكُمْ أَنْهَارًا. So doing istighfar is asking for forgiveness. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. People ask for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's forgiveness. For them to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's forgiveness, actually the extent of their istighfar can be very far, that it might affect physical matters. Rain is a physical matter. It might also affect the matters of money, children, your beautiful green garden, or the flowing river. That is how believers should live their lives. And making istighfar is the duty of believers. Hopefully, after that, Allah will reward them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward them for their istighfar.